I'm going to show you how database technology from the 70s can be integrated with AI in 2025. So this integration that I made bridges a 50-year gap and solves a critical problem for enterprises that are still running legacy systems, which there are a lot of them. So I'm going to jump straight into the demo and access some of these other tools. I'm going to type in test your UniVerse DB tool and let's see what happens. Okay, so first thing it's going to do is to test the connection, and let's just wait until it succeeds, which it did. And so now it's going to work on listing the available files. And the beauty here is really the natural language interface. I simply typed test your tools, and it's able to translate that into the UniVerse commands that are needed to work with the system. All right, so here it created demo files, and you see that even when it runs into roadblocks, that it actually is able to reconsider its approach and to navigate it a different way. And so why this matters is because these databases were created in the 70s and 80s, but still thousands of critical business systems still run on this technology, like banks, hospitals, and insurance companies. And the developers who worked on these, they are retiring. And these systems still contain decades of irreplaceable business logic. So companies are facing the choice, which is either to spend millions replacing the systems or struggle to find experts who can work to maintain them. And now there's a third option, and that third option is to use this AI that is an expert in UniVerse syntax and is not deterred by archaic commands or complex navigation. So, for example, you can say, show me what my customers look like, and the AI will translate that into proper UniVerse commands automatically. Now, it's actually learning the structure and seeing what the strategy that it should employ should actually be, just like an actual developer would. So, like I said, because this is a trial license, there's restrictions on what actually able to do, but in a full implementation, the AI would be able to perform any operation that a human user could. And this is beyond uh, traditional RPA, which is robotic process automation, because RPA follows rigid scripts and it breaks when anything unexpected happens. This AI understands intent and handles unexpected situations intelligently. So, I was just switching back to Cloudflare. So it's not just mimicking keystrokes, it's actually replicating the expertise. And from your database perspective, it's just another user just logging in and entering commands. So there's no disruption to your existing systems because it's just like another user who's using the platform. So the AI doesn't actually see old or new, it just sees data and logic. And if your organization uses UniVerse databases, this is a path to making them more accessible and more powerful than ever before. So you don't have to abandon what works. You can actually enhance it with AI. So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or if you want to discuss how this could work for your systems, please drop a comment or send me a message and I would be happy to discuss. Thank you.